Welcome to an incredible journey through our solar system. It's a place full of wonders and mysteries that continue to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Let's dive into 30 mind-blowing facts about our solar system that will leave you in awe. 1. Our solar system is approximately 4.6 billion years old. It formed from the gravitational collapse of a giant molecular cloud. This ancient history is written in the stars and the planets that orbit our sun. 1. The Sun, our life-giving star, makes up 99.86% of the solar system's total mass. This massive ball of hydrogen and helium is the powerhouse that fuels all life on Earth. 1. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Despite its size, it has a significant impact on our understanding of planetary formation. 1. Venus spins in the opposite direction to most planets in the solar system. This retrograde rotation means that if you were standing on Venus, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. 1. Earth is the only known planet with liquid water on its surface. This precious resource is essential for life as we know it, making Earth a unique oasis in the vastness of space. 1. Mars is home to the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. This colossal shield volcano stands about 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. 1. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a gas giant with a staggering 79 moons. These moons, including the 4 largest known as the Galilean moons, offer a diverse range of environments and geological features. 1. Saturn's rings are one of the most iconic features in our solar system. Composed primarily of ice and rock, these rings span up to 175,000 miles, 282,000 kilometers in diameter, but are only about 30 feet, 10 meters thick. 1. Uranus is unique in that it rotates on its side. This extreme axial tilt of about 98 degrees means that its poles experience 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. 1. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, has the fastest winds in the solar system. These supersonic winds can reach speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour, 2,000 kilometers per hour. 1. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, is now classified as a dwarf planet. Despite its demotion, Pluto has 5 known moons, with Charon being the largest and most significant. 1. The asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter, is a region filled with rocky remnants from the early solar system. These space rocks vary in size from tiny pebbles to massive objects like Ceres, the largest asteroid. 1. Comets are icy bodies that originate from the outer regions of the solar system. When they approach the Sun, they develop spectacular tails of gas and dust that can stretch for millions of miles. 1. The Kuiper Belt is a vast region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies and dwarf planets. This area is home to many objects that have yet to be fully explored and understood. 1. The Oort cloud is a hypothetical cloud of icy objects that surrounds the solar system at a great distance. It is believed to be the source of long-period comets that occasionally visit the inner solar system. 1. The Sun's core is an incredibly hot and dense region where nuclear fusion occurs. Temperatures here can reach a staggering 15 million degrees Celsius, producing the energy that powers the Sun. 1. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. This extreme heat is due to a runaway greenhouse effect caused by its thick atmosphere. 1. Mars experiences seasons similar to Earth, thanks to its axial tilt. These seasons cause changes in the planet's surface, including the growth and retreat of polar ice caps. 1. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging for at least 400 years. This giant storm is so large that it could fit 3 Earths within its boundaries. 1. Saturn is the only planet in our solar system that could float in water thanks to its low density. If there were a bathtub large enough, Saturn would bob on the surface like a giant beach ball. 1. Uranus has 13 known rings which are composed of dark, narrow bands of particles. These rings are much fainter than those of Saturn but still offer a fascinating glimpse into the planet's history. 1. Neptune has 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest. Triton is unique because it orbits Neptune in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation, a phenomenon known as a retrograde orbit. 1. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel and expand into a red giant. This transformation will engulf the inner planets, including Earth, and mark the end of the solar system as we know it. 1. Mercury has no significant atmosphere to speak of, which means it cannot retain heat. As a result, temperatures on Mercury can swing from extremely hot during the day to freezing cold at night. 1. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet in the solar system. These volcanoes, some of which are still active, have shaped the planet's surface and contributed to its thick, toxic atmosphere. 1. Earth's atmosphere acts as a protective shield, burning up most meteoroids before they can reach the surface. This natural defense system has preserved life on our planet for billions of years. 1. Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos. These irregularly shaped moons are thought to be captured asteroids from the nearby asteroid belt. 1. Jupiter emits more heat than it receives from the Sun. This excess heat is generated by the planet's slow gravitational contraction, a process that has been ongoing since its formation. 1. Saturn's moon Titan is the only place in the solar system other than Earth known to have liquid lakes on its surface. However, these lakes are filled with methane and ethane, not water. 1. Neptune's moon Triton is unique because it orbits the planet in a retrograde direction, meaning it moves in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. This unusual orbit suggests that Triton may have been captured by Neptune's gravity long ago. Stay curious, space explorers. Keep looking up. The wonders of our solar system are endless, and there's always more to discover. Whether you're gazing at the stars through a telescope or reading about the latest space missions, the universe is full of surprises waiting to be uncovered. So, keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop looking up at the night sky. The cosmos is vast, and our journey through it has only just begun.